so good, isn't she?
My goodness, Olivia, you're awesome.
Yeah, we'll be very proud of you right now, Livy.
Grammy.
Great Grammy. Hey, say hi to Great Grammy, and we can send her the picture.
Okay.
Say something to Great Grammy. What if you could tell her anything? What would you tell her? Tell her the camera.
I'm a good cooker.
You're a good cooker.
And a good cookie.
What else could you tell her?
I love you, Daddy.
Say it again, Livy.
Mommy, I love you. Can I have some of that cookie dough?
Hey, Aiden, if you were to say something to Great Grammy, what would you say?
I love you, Big Grammy. I hope you still live up here.
No.
Mommy, can I have some little of that dough?